up to Saddle Hill, which is at the top of Inverness, sort of south side. We are up here with Luna, but we've left Michael cycling up the hill because I'm on my new e-bike. It's amazing! So I've got the new Neuron, which is Canyon. Yeah, let's show you around it. Luna's incredibly confused. Where's Dad? Where is he? Nowhere to be seen. We've left him. We're sold. Anyway, so this is my new Canyon Neuron on 6. So it's a baseline model out of all the Neurons. It's an e-bike. So we've got a Shimano EP, is it EP8 motor? Yeah, EP8. And I've got a 504 watt-hour battery on it. So that comes with the extra small, because I've got an extra small bike because I'm teeny. So for reference, I'm 4'11", very small legs, small reach. So the reach is actually bigger than my old bike. I've got a Santa Cruz Bronson, which is about 380, I think, or 390 millimeter reach. This is 406, I think, but it's actually not too bad. Got the seat all the way forward, and I got a tiny wee 30mm stem from Renthal. So I've chucked some Renthal bars on mine. So I think they're about 720 or 740mm wide. And yeah, just got some death grips on there, some nice blue ones. But yeah, I got myself some Hope purple spacers. I love purple. On all my bikes I've got purple stuff. I've got some Nook Proof Trail Horizon pedals, so they're clipless. I've only changed to clipless about a year ago, but I haven't ridden much because we got the pup. So yeah, it's been interesting. Had many falls, many stupid ones, but yeah, it's been good. So the bike's pretty standard. It's got just your basic of basic wheels on it. I'm hoping to get some other wheels put onto it that I have. I've got some Industry 9 wheels from my other bike that should fit, so I might be able to swap them between the two. So I originally thought this was a 29er. It says on the website it's a 29er, but it's actually 27.5 plus, and I'm not sure if that comes with all of them. I need to check, but I thought it was 29, but we checked and obviously this is 27.5 plus. But yeah, so that's good, so I can fit my other 27s on them. I don't know if it's maybe the extra smalls and the smalls that just come with the 27.5, but yeah, I was surprised to see the 27.5 on them. But oh, it's great. Like, I've been cycling, so yesterday I went for a wee lap around the woods, just at our local woods at the house, and yeah, it was perfect. It's a great little bike. It goes super fast. I think I got it up to 30 km/h, but that's just on the flat. So I had it in trail mostly. The only time I put it in boost was coming up one of the steep hills up here. But other than that, it's fantastic. I mean, I'm not as fit as the rest of the boys I ride with, so it'll give me a lot more ability to go out and be with them and stay out for longer, which is amazing, which is what I wanted it for. However, now Michael's convinced that he might want one. So it turns out I can't be a lazy bugger. So yeah, but it's so the extra small and the small come with 125mm travel, whereas the rest of them come with 130. Same with the forks, and they're 130mm, which is cool, good enough for what I want to do, because all my other stuff I'll use my other bike for. So the only thing is it is very heavy, and because I'm so wee, it is quite difficult to move about, but having the clips helps. A cheat way of getting the back wheel up a bit, but it's worth it. It's so worth it. I mean, I only got it 2 days ago, so we'll need to try it out more and see. But yeah, it's a beautiful bike. It's lovely blue. So yeah, we've just reached the cairn here at the top. Still waiting for Michael to peer over the surface, but I did kind of boost up on boost with poor Luna behind me. But yeah, it's a great little bike. We've got some charging port here, so you charge that. That's the charging port. I am still in the new stage of being very wary about making sure it's dry. As you can see, I have used all of the travel. I need to put a bit more air in the forks because they're a bit soft. But yeah, it's been a really comfortable ride. The one nice thing about it is it's got a Fiztech seat, which is quite nice. So yeah, I think that's all. So on the little thing, you can change it. So there's a little switch at the side here with the EP8. I think it's with most of them, it's fairly similar between all of them. But you can switch the little screen between boost, trail, eco, and there is actually a walk mode as well. Michael found that, so you can walk along with it, or you can actually just like sit on the bike and it'll just go, which will be handy if if some of the boys are pushing up and I can just chuck it and walk with them. So I'm not that arse that's jumping off ahead. But yeah, what do you think, Luna? Hey, what do you think? Is it good? It's good. Hey, you're so cute. Oh, here he is. Off in the distance. Oh well. Right, I'll leave it at that. And we'll do some rides on it, eh? See what it's going to be like.